Hello, students. How are you all? We hope that you all must be fine and are staying at home safe. So, today, the work what we are going to discuss that is your writing section, and that is short stories. How to write exactly an impressive and interesting short story. Today, we will talk about that. If we talk about the stories, so first of all, let me tell you one thing that it is completely an imaginary work. Means what is not real, what's not true, it depends on your imaginations. So, what are exactly the elements? Means important parts of a short story. Now, let's see. If we see the first of all the definition of a short story, that is it tells us about a single event or experience. Means it's a single event or your experience, it can be. It's a fictional work. Fictional means what is not true. The word limit can be, it's up to you, it can be from 300 to 15,000 words. It has a beginning, middle, and end. It creates an impression on the reader. Means when a reader reads it, then he or she gets an impression of the story. So, what are the elements? Means important part of the story. First of all, setting, characterization, plot, conflict, climax, resolution, theme. So, these are the important points or important elements of a short story. If we talk about the setting, so what is the setting exactly? Setting, it tells the reader where and when the story takes place. Means where exactly this story going to take place. It can be in a forest, it can be in a society, it can be in a house or anywhere. So first of all, the setting is very important. So we have to keep in our mind that where and when our story exactly are going to take place. Next, characterization. The creation of imaginary people who appear to be real to the reader. Means the characters should be presented in this way that they should look real to the reader. And the number of characters should not be more than 2 or 3. The writer gives information about the characters in the story. Means we should be giving all that maximum informations about the characters, like their traits, means qualities, about their physique, their nature, whatever possible. The next important point for a good story is that is plot. A series of events through which the writer reveals what is happening, to whom and why. Means there should be a proper plot. Like it can be a patriotic plot, it can be a social plot. Means we should know that on what plot our story is going to lead. Like if we are talking about that the movie Uri, so it was a patriotic plot, and the movie we know that exactly what is happening. We know that our Indian soldiers, they are going to take revenge. To whom? Pakistani army. Why? Because the people killed our soldiers, our innocent soldiers. So that's why there is a patriotic plot. So the plot exactly should be clear in the writer's mind. conflict. What is this? Is a problem in the story that needs to be resolved. Means as you set the plot, then a conflict it comes. What is a conflict? It can be a fight, argument between like it can be, we can say that between two friends. Like suppose your story exactly is based on two fast friends. So how your story exactly will progress? Then there a conflict, means an argument or a fight should be there now between these two friends, and by the end this problem should be solved. So that is the conflict what you have to create in the story. Next is climax. What is climax? The most important and exciting part of the story, when the action comes to its highest point of conflict. Means when even the readers they get excited that what is going to happen now, what will be the next scene. That is called climax. Now resolution means settling a problem, solving a problem. The story's action after the climax until the end of the story, the conclusion of the story, that's called resolution. So it should be given, because it should not happen you just created the problem and you left the problem in the middle. No, it should reach to the conclusion at the last stage. And then theme of your story. What's the theme? The story's main ideas, the message the writer intends. Intent means plans to communicate by telling the story. So these are the points what a writer has to keep in his mind while writing an interesting and short story. So now just keep these points in your mind, and then you can create a good story. Thank you. Have a nice time.